Is a screen visible to all?
Yes,
Yes,
Utpal.
sir.
Yesterday we have seen a code of HTML. So we'll write here a simple code on this notepad. So here HTML, then head, then title of head, suppose web page is title, then end title, then end of head, then body. In body, suppose the sentence is this is my first web page, then end of body, then end of HTML, okay, save with specific name. Suppose I have saved with the name QWER and extension is HTML. Okay, then go to here the file where you have saved, then open with, suppose I have opened with Firefox, See, this is a head web page, and this is the body of that web page. We have written statement. This is my first web page. Okay, are you getting? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we have seen HTML elements, in which suppose I want to write the sentence in block, bold or italic. Then suppose uh, in the same program I will write this is my first web page, and I want to write this uh, next statement bold. Then for bold tag is B, and suppose my word or sentence is welcome. Then end of bold tag, then I will save. Okay, then I will execute once again. Open with Firefox. See here, you will get the bold word or bold statement. Then suppose I want to write in italic. Then in the code, same word I want to write in italic. Then instead of B, here I for italic. See here. Then yesterday we have seen headings, that is font size. H1 is largest font, whereas H6 is least font. So most important thing is H1 is used when the sentence or the word or paragraph is important. Use the H1 heading. Will write here. Suppose I want to write here, this is my first web page, as suppose in H1. Then H1, then end of this H1, then save. See here, you are seeing here. Okay, suppose I want this is least important. Instead of H1 I will use H6. As per users requirement, as per users view, you should have to use H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 or H6. Are you getting?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose there is a paragraph. See, suppose I want to write something in this, and my headline is website. So I should have to use H1 for heading. For division A or B, hello. For division A or B, you are from which division? You are which division? Hello, hello, hello. You are from which division? A or B? For A division, may I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
B division, B division, B division, may I audible? May I audible or not right now? Hello, hello. Okay, here this word is important. That's why I have written in headings H1. This definition is also important. Suppose I have written in H2 and end with this talk. Here end with H2. Then suppose I want to break line. Here I want to write a paragraph for this. So we can use P tag for paragraph, and here I want to break line here. Then I will use BR for breaking the line. Okay. Then I want to break here also. Then I will write BR. Okay. Then end of this paragraph. Then suppose this is least important to me. Then suppose I have written in H5. Okay, I will save here and open with Firefox. See here, this is the headline, then definition of this, whatever be. Then this is middle, that is H4, H3. Here we have used H1 font, then here H2, then here we have used H4, then here we have used H5. Then here see, after web pages we have given break, then this sentence is breaked and go to the next line. Then after here website content, after content we have given break. See the code here. After web pages we have given break, as well as after website content we have given break. So these lines are breaked through br tag. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then yesterday we have seen these parts. Now we move towards today's part, that is alignment of text. So for alignment of text, these are the general formats. There are four types of alignments: left, right, center, and justified. Suppose you want to write in justified, so P for paragraph, then style, that is paragraph style with alignment, that is text align colon, then write your required alignment as per justified, left, right, or center, whatever. This is the general format for alignment. Okay, we will see a code for this. Suppose I want to write in justified format, then here I want to write the this part in justified format. So P style is equal to text alignment justified, whatever be. I will this break this, remove these breaks. Okay, I will I will write break here as well as here. Then I will write break here. Okay, save. Open with Firefox. See, wait a minute. See here, this is alignment. Okay, this is the alignment. We'll see justified alignment. Here, justified instead of justified, we'll see central. This is center alignment. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then right side alignment, we'll see here instead of center, right only, right. Are you getting?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Here we have used a tag break for breaking the lines, continuous line. Then here we have used alignment. So these are the four general formats for the text alignment. So start with paragraph P, then style of paragraph, that is word style is equal to text in double quoted text dash align colon justified, then or justified left right center whatever, then semicolon, then double complete and angle bracket complete, then write whatever statements you want to, then closing of, that is end of paragraph. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then line break command we have seen. So br tag is empty tag. It has no end tag like this slash br. We cannot use slash br. Okay. Suppose I want to write these statements here. Starting tag for paragraph is p and ending tag for paragraph is slash p, but there is only starting tag for break, there is no ending tag. Okay, then how to give comments in HTML? So while writing in C program, you are giving comments single line and multi-line comment. Okay, for single line you are using which comment? Okay, and for multi-line, hmm? Okay, similarly there are comments in HTML. So we start with comment angle bracket, see in red colored statement, angle bracket, then exclamatory sign, then double dash, there are two dash. Okay, then whatever comment you want to give statements, and then end with double dash and then closing angle bracket. Okay, this comment will be ignored by browser. You can use comment to explain your code, which can help you when you edit the source code. Okay, then we'll see next point, HTML lists. There are three types of list: ordered list, unordered list, and a definition list. First tell me what is a list. Suppose when you want to go supermarket, you bring a list, then tell me the general definition of list. When you want to go to purchase some things from supermarket, you are preparing a list which things you want to purchase. Okay,
The number of elements arranged in the
hmm?
sequence.
Okay, that may be ordered list, and unordered list there is no particular sequence. Suppose when you have gone in supermarket and you are seeing things one by one, and there is a one list in your hand, can you purchase as per your list or randomly? Will you purchase as per list or randomly?
As per list.
Randomly. First we will purchase the things randomly, and then we will check which thing is remaining to purchase. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, there are
But
two
sir, we
types
can't
of list.
purchase by list.
That is unordered list. Okay, so there are two types of list. First is ordered list and second is unordered list. So we will see one by one. So ordered list, it is list, or it is also list of elements or items. So the list of elements are marked with numbers, and ordered list starts with the OL tag, O for order, L for list, and ends with OL tag /OL. And this is for ordered, and for list start with Li for list. Here in this table given a simple format for ordered list. We will execute this code. Suppose here I want to write the ordered list. So OL for starting tag of ordered list, then Li for list. Suppose here first element I have given as A, C, D, F, G, H, whatever, and end of that list. And suppose second list, second elements is given like Q, W, R, S, T, whatever.
Sir, it
Yes.
is difficult to understand same another concept with the same code. Can you learn it by separately?
What do you mean?
Means, sir, now concept of list you are doing with the same code, which above title is web page and all this thing. Can you separate
Okay.
it by?
Okay. No problem. Okay. Up to this part, it is common. There is no need. If you want to change, then change. No problem. Then first, there is need to see how to execute these lists. Okay, no problem. I will write. Okay. Tell me one by one. What is the first part?
HTML.
Uh,
HTML.
HTML. Then
HTML.
Head.
Header.
Head.
head. Head. Then title.
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 Okay.
Body.
Wait,
Body.
wait. Give me the first title name.
End of head.
List. Order list.
This is
Wait,
Type of
wait.
list.
First, give me the title. Name of that title.
list.
Making of list.
List.
Make of list. Okay. Then
Closing of title.
End of title. Title.
okay. End of title.
End of
Okay.
head.
So can we use capital letters in title?
Oh yes. In tag there is no need, but here you can use. Okay. Then end of head. end of head, then
body,
Body type.
okay, then
oil,
OL type.
hmm,
Organs.
oil type,
oil, oil, okay, then list,
Yellow type.
then suppose I have entered a list is tell me the name of which item, any element,
fruits,
fruits. This is my first element, then end of list. Suppose I want to purchase second, then list.
sir,
Sir,
Hmm.
list.
extra list,
Okay,
like
Slash wala.
okay. Huh. Then next element,
vegetable,
Vegetables.
vegetables. Then end of second list. Okay. Then suppose I want to purchase only two parts. Then end of oil. Then next part,
end of body,
End of the body type.
end of body. Okay. Then end
End
of
of
HTML.
HTML.
Okay. Then save in same
Can we
file or
write
another
two
file.
tags with the same line?
Can
save
you
as,
write? Can you write? What is the question? Hello?
Can we write two tags with the same line?
Yeah, no problem. Two tags. Okay, we can write. Okay, save as another file or same file.
Another file.
Another
Tell me name, whatever.
list,
list.html.
List.html. Okay, then here, go to here, right click, open with Firefox. Okay, are you getting? See here. Here title is making of list and you are getting your two elements with a particular sequence, that is number has given. First element is fruits and second element is vegetables. Are you getting?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
that
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, there is unordered list. We will see. So instead of O, here U is used. U for unordered, L for list. Same concept is here. So unordered list marks with bullets, not a number. That is bullet means a typically small block circles. Okay, we'll see. Instead, in same code, we will see what will be the output. Instead of, suppose I will write another part for this code. instead of u o, I will write here u, and first element is suppose milk powder, and second element suppose coffee. Okay, I will save.
So end with UL.
Okay, okay, okay. See here, these fruits, vegetables are ordered list, whereas milk powder, coffee are unordered list. There is no particular sequence. Okay, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how did you get errors?
Suppose we will see, say in same code here, instead of suppose ul, I have written ol. We'll check. Are you getting any error? No.
No, sir.
It
No.
will adjust. It will adjust. Okay. Suppose someone has missing here a closing of suppose HTML closing tag. Here slash is by forgetly missed. Then save, and I will save another name. Okay. List 123 dot html. See, are you getting
Yes,
here?
sir.
Where
See the
Yes.
see the code, which code is running. List 123 is running, and this is your output. Okay, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then next part is a definition of list. So a definition of list is not a list of elements. So this is a list of terms and explanation of terms. Okay, we are defining here list of terms and explanation of that terms. So any definition of list starts with DL tag. D for definition, L for list. D for definition, L for list. Okay. Each definition list term starts with the DT tag. Each definition list term start with dt tag, D for definition and T for term, term of list or list term, and ends with, and each definition list, list definition. See here, see here, list term definition list term tag is dt, definition list definition tag is dd. See these last 2 points, definition list term tag is dt, definition list definition tag is dd. So inside the definition list definition, that is dd tag, you can put paragraphs, line breaks, images or image links or other lists, etc. You can put all the things in dd tag. See here, a simple code is given, dl for definition of list or definition starts, dt, that is list term, that is copy, maybe hot, maybe cold. And here third line indicates a definition of that list, that is black and cold copy. This is the definition of copy. Similarly, another term is milk, and definition of milk is white and cold. We'll execute this code. Okay, we'll take same code or different. Hmm?
Different, sir.
Then tell me what is the title of this code.
Definition list.
Definition list, list of material नहीं है. Okay, then here in body we have written code dl definition list, then which term in that definition, that is dt, and name of that term, here suppose copy is taken, and definition of this term is dd, that copy is black and cold. Okay, then second term we have taken milk. Okay, and definition of this is white and cold. Then end of body and end of html. We'll see you, we'll save same list 1 2 3. See here, copy, and definition of copy is black and cold. Definition of copy is black and cold. Definition of milk is white and cold. Whatever you have given statement. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So there are, see this table, in this table there are different list tags. OL defines an ordered list. UL defines unordered list. LI defines a list element. Then DL defines a definition list. DT defines definition term, and DD defines definition description. Hello,
Yes, sir.
hello. Are
Yes,
you
Yes,
sir.
sir.
getting this? Are you getting
Yes,
this?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we will move towards
Yes,
HTML
right.
HTML tables. So tables are defined with a table tag. Tables are defined with table tag, and a table is divided into row and cells, a row and columns. Okay, row and cells. So row tag is TR. T for table, R for row. T for table and R for row, and each row is divided into data cells. And here T for table and D for here used as cell or table data. T for table and D for data. Here TD stands for table data, which is content of data cell. Data cell can contain text, images, paragraphs, forms, horizontal rules, tables, etc. Okay, this is a simple code for table. Here, first we should have to define table border. Suppose here we have taken 1, then declare table row tr, then in table row how many cells or how many columns, in row how many columns or how many cells. So row 1 cell 1, then end of that. Then second, suppose I want to increase another cell, then row 1 cell 2, then end of table row. Suppose I want to increase another row, then tr for second row. Then here also you should have. Here whenever you want to increase a row, then you should have to write a code for row. Then in second row you should have to declare cell 1 cell 2 cell 3 whatever. Okay, this is a simple code for table. We'll execute. See here title is given, suppose table, then body table border 1, Then we have declared row first. Then TD, this code for declaring row 1 cell 1, that is row contains only one cell. Then this second statement contains row 1 cell 2, that means row 1 contains two cells, cell 1 as well as cell 2. Similarly, suppose you want to increase another row, so here row 1 is completed. Then write tr for row 2, then declare how many cells in row 2, then end of this row, then end of table, end of body, end of html. Then it will save, file save as table dot html. Then we will execute here. See here, this is the output. Row 1 cell 1, row 1 cell 2, row 2 cell 1, row 2 cell 2. Hello, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, these are the different tags for tables. So table defines table, th defines table header, tr defines table row, td defines table cell, t head defines table head, t body defines table body, and t foot defines table footer. Okay, suppose someone don't want this cell 2 in row 2, then suppose I will give comment here. Comment is given with less than, then dash dash, then end with this, uh, before dash here is exclamatory sign, then end with here. Okay, So someone don't want cell 2 in row 2, then it will be displayed like this. We'll execute this. See here. Are you getting?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we will see how to give headings to the table. Here we have declared only row 1 cell 1, row 1 cell 2, whatever. I want to give headings for that column, particular columns. So I will write a code here. Table border 1, then tr. I will declare first head. So write th, then I will give name, whatever that is, suppose heading. Then end of th. Okay, then I want to give this is a I have given this is heading for column first. I want to give another heading, then th, suppose column 2 is my heading, then th. Then I will declare this one. First row contains 2 cells. I have declared. I will declare. Then second row contains 2 rows and 2 column. 2 rows. I will remove this comment. Then end of this table. We'll see what will be the output. Wait a minute. Here we have declared a row for heading and column 2. So there is need to end of that row. So tr, then next for row tr, see here. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can we give heading to the rows?
Okay, we can give headings to the rows. We'll see a code for that. Wait for a minute. Suppose I want to prepare a table like this. I want to prepare two tables like this. Name, address, and mobile number. Then here, suppose I want to write here name ABC, address suppose Pandharpur, then mobile number is 1234, name PQR, address is suppose Solapur, mobile number is suppose 5678. I want to prepare this type table and another requires this first output and a second output in same code. That is here name, address, then mobile number. So for person first ABC, name address is Pandharpur and mobile number is 1234. Second person name is PQR, address is Solapur and mobile number is 5678. Okay, I want to prepare these two tables. Then we'll try to write code for these two tables. Okay, here we can use all the tags we have studied. Okay, So here after body, suppose I want to use font size, suppose 4 H4. Wait a minute. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Suppose I want to suppose I want to give a border. See in this output. Here border is defined very small. Border is given very small. So I want to give suppose normal border. Then here headline with normal border, with a normal border, then colon H4, then table border 1, table border is equal to 1, then number of rows, that is tr, declares headlines, that is td This is first, slash td, then td row, then end of this row, then I will copy same code for second row, okay. How many rows here? 1 2 3 rows, so I will copy 3 rows again for third row here, third, then end of this table, then end with border, that is h4 with a thick border, and table border is equal to suppose 8, okay. Then this we have taken first table and we have started for second table here, so we'll copy same code for this, okay. Then end with a very thick border, then I will take next table, Here suppose table border is 15. Then here end of this table. Okay, we'll save the same code. We'll see what will happen. Then we'll save same name as table and we'll execute. Okay, see here you will get here very thick border. This is very thick borders table you will get. Then first, second, third, whatever name you are given you will get. Then whatever name you are given here for this table it will display. We will make changes as per our requirement. Okay, so in this code we'll see again. Suppose here table border that is here, instead of with normal border we'll write your table headers colon. Then here instead of first we'll write name. Instead of row here we'll write address. Then we require another column, so here we'll write contact number. Then for here second we'll write name is here ABC. Then here address, suppose Pandharpur. Then for contact number here suppose return as contact number 123456. This is my contact number. Then for third here return second name is suppose PQR. Then here address is suppose Solapur. And here contact number is suppose 3456 789. This is contact number. end of this table. Then next for vertical headers, here then here table border is suppose here again 1. Then first here first name, or instead of here first we write name. Then write name here ABC. Then for second name here write PQR. Then for second write name here address. Here instead of row here write address is Pandharpur.
Sir, for vertical, instead of PQR, there should be address, na? Address of ABC.
Wait. See here for vertical we are first name. We are seeing first here 1 minute. See, we are seeing row wise. We are seeing this row first. Name, whatever name, then ABC, then PQR. Okay. Then for second row, we are going address, Pandharpur, Solapur. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then for second address, Solapur. Then for third contact number, your contact number is for first person and for second person. Okay. Then end of table. Okay, we will see what will be the output. See here, table headers. This is the first we have taken horizontally name, address, contact number, and here vertically we have taken name, address, contact number. Are you getting? See first
Yes, sir.
output. First see the output, what is expected and what is actual. See, see the this is first expected output and what is actual getting. Are you both same? These are the both same, actual and expected.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we will see, we are going to see what is the code, and we will explain one by one. Okay. See, we should have to declare whatever here, give the name for that table. Okay, this is horizontally we are taking name, address and contact number. So in table row first, or header, table header, we have declared a horizontally name, address and contact number. Are you getting up till?
Yes, sir.
Then for second row we have declared a name of that person, address of that person and contact number of that person. Okay, for third row again we have declared a name, address and contact number, end of that table. Okay, this is horizontally name, address and contact number taken code. Okay, this code for horizontally taken name, address and contact number. Suppose I want to take vertically name, address and contact number, then here first I should have to declare a header column name. Okay, then name of that persons, whatever number of persons. Then at second row declare address and address of respective persons. Then at third row there is contact number of headline is contact number, and declare the contact number of respective persons and end of this table. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see the code carefully.
So what is the significance of table headers you have written here?
Okay, you should have to give another name, name and name, contact number and address, whatever. Name, address and contact number.
Means this is for our understanding, not
Yeah, for our,
considered in the code.
yeah, contact number. And as per user's choice, you can increase, decrease this size. Suppose I want to take more, instead of H4 I want to take H2. You should have to take. Suppose we'll see what will be the output of this code. See, the size is increased here. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir.
Okay, see the code. What is actual code we have require? Okay, 1 minute. Okay, see the code. So from first day, what we have studied in first day, which part we have studied? Just we have taken introduction. What, which part or which concepts we are going to study? We have taken just as overview of that concept. Then yesterday we have seen which part we have seen?
Table.
The introduction of first introduction of HTML. Okay. Then HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Okay, it is a text file containing small markup tags. Then markup tag, web browsers. Okay, website. Okay, how to write a program and execute code. Okay, then markup tags tells us browser how to display the page. Then HTML file must have extension is HTM or HTML. Okay, then HTML file can be created using simple text editor like Notepad. Okay, Notepad plus plus. Then we have seen 2 3 simple programs. What is HTML? Then head, title. These are, and then closing, closing title. Then closing body, opening head, closing head. Then closing HTML. These different tags we have seen. Okay. Then how to bold that particular word or sentence with tag B. Then for break, today we have seen which part we have seen in
How
today's
to prepare
lecture.
table in HTML.
How to prepare table right now we have seen. But before that,
List. List.
alignment. Okay, alignment to a particular paragraph. Then how to break sentence. Then create a list, that is ordered list, unordered list. Then definitions of that list. Then how to prepare tables. Is there any query up to these 3 lectures? Which part is you have not understood?
Sir, you have executed all these programs are now become a website and are all these accessible for everyone?
Yeah, but this is a starting point. You should have to take more knowledge about HTML and web designing. There are so many languages, supporting languages for website designing. This is a starting point. Okay, is there any query? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Wait a minute. Mm. Okay, I think we'll stop here. In next lecture, we will see different parts regarding the table, how to insert text, image, whatever the part. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
So we'll stop here. Write your roll numbers in chat box and leave the session.